peanuts. Oh, it's the fog light kit. Standard bulbs. So one of these should be the HID kit for that. It's the Subi Speed package. Got Laffy Taffy.
What the fuck?
A bunch of little shit. So the Morimoto sea lights. More Morimoto sea light shit. Oh, it's a resealing fucking glue. And got tail lights. I mean, not tail lights. Fucking rear bumper lights. Bright rear bumper lights and. You can see
We got a sticker.
Yeah, oh, emblem overlays. I'll open it up. So those are gonna be going on soon. Oh, there's 4 of them. I wasn't expecting that. I guess in case you fuck up. And then this is for the turn signal overlays. Cool. On to the next one. It's just fragile. I threw this shit when we were in the car. I didn't realize. Got an eBay plate relocator kit. See how this fits. Hopefully it fits good. Double wrapped it. These are going to be the daytime running lights LEDs. I thought it said 4,000, but it's supposed to be 6,000, so hopefully that's not right. Then these are going to be my either headlights or fog lights. I'm not sure because I got both. So these will probably be the fogs. Sweet. All this shit's going on tomorrow. So I'll show you an update video of all that when it happens.